First, we need to prepare the berries fillings, as we need to cool it down before adding it into the ice cream mixture. For the ice cream mixture, we need to prepare two separate bowls. First bowl is cream cheese with sweetened condensed milk, and the second bowl is non-dairy whipping cream or whipping cream dairy whipping cream with full cream milk. So here's how. Then we're gonna add from the first mixture of cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk into the second bowl. Then fold in gently the berries fillings into the ice cream mixture. Put it into your container and freeze it overnight.